Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird. No, Marley. Yeah, you get this handsome bird. Yeah. Are you being vocal? Yes. Marley, it's okay. Oops. Marley, come here. I was gonna pet you if you only gave me a second. Yeah. Jerry. Yes, my puppy boy. I love you. Yes, I do. And Jerry over here being very intervening with this camera. He really is. Very interested. Jerry. Oh, too close. Jerry. Camera's gonna chase you like a paparazzi. Oh my goodness. Look how big your face is. Yeah. Where are you going? Where are you going? You could also look at yourself, Miley. You want to look at yourself? Yeah. My body boy, I love you. Yes, I do. Look at this cute face. So cute boy. Yes, my baby boy. Yes, I love my buddies. You see this? You see how much he loves me? Yeah. I love my buddies. He's such a good boy. Dude, your scar's so weird looking these days. Yeah. Going back to the bird. Jerry. Look at this. Look at yourself, mister.
Yes, I'm right, Marley.
Pretty bird.
I don't know what you want.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird Jerry. Pretty bird Jerry. Pretty bird Jerry. Jerry's
Stop
a pretty
it.
bird. Jerry's a pretty bird. Yes, he is. Pretty bird. He's getting mad. He's getting jealous of this bird. Are you getting jealous? That's not good. You can't be jealous of him. I barely give him any attention. You can't be jealous of him. That's not nice. No, it's not. Not nice at all. Opie. Hey, Mr. Dinosaur, come here. What's up, buddy? Are you saying hi to the camera too? Marley, you're being very bad. Why are you whining? Aroo. Look at this guy biting his leg. Very interesting, Opie. Very. Marley, do you want to go out? You want to go out? I didn't know that. Why didn't you just say so? I'm joking with you. You've been trying to tell me. That's okay. Jerry, shush. I'm coming back for you. Oh, so you guys all want to go outside. That's cool. Come along, my young pupils. Jerry! See, every time I leave him, he goes so loud. What's up, Lola? Stay, come on, Marley. Hey, puppy boys. Come on. Marley. You Jack? Come on. Marley. Hey. Dude. Get out of that. Come on. Marley. Dude. Oh boy. See this? You guys see that? See how aggressive he is? So it's Lola, girl. Who's that pretty girl? They get aggressive. Him and Lola definitely get in fights. Three bodies. Hey, puppies. What's up, Lola? What's up, Lola? Tell my baby boys I love him. Hey, well, I'm gonna go inside because it's like super windy outside, so I'll see you laters. I'll see you laters, mister. And how long is this? Oh, 6 minutes. Okay. Jerry, I'm back. I'm back, mister. E. Yes, I'm back. I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? I'm gonna zoom in on your beautiful face. Yeah, say bye. Yeah, say bye. Bye. Yeah, good boy.